Hello everyone, this is Alan from Tiny House. Nice to meet you. I'm now just stepped to our capsulehouse's X50 and let me do some short introduction about it. The area of it is around 28 square meters and suitable for 2 or 3 people to live inside. And the length of it is around 88.5 meters. The height and length are both 3.3 meters. And now let's check it out, how it looks inside. This is how it looks like. Inside, you can see, we just put a smart control panel in here. You can use it to turn on, turn off the lighting, close, open curtains and skylight. Of course, the projector screen. Let me show you something. Close curtain. Stop the curtain and open the curtains. It can prevent about 80% of the UV rays. It will be very suitable when used during the beach or even on the top of the mountain. Also, we made a balcony in our capsule houses. There's a mosquito preventing doors. You can open it while you want to enjoy the refresh air outside. Also, you can just stay outside to enjoy a good view with your friends.